Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. My name is Akib and today I'm going to show you how you can integrate Mandrill with Google Sheets and automate the flow of data between these two applications. So guys, Mandrill is a paid add-on of MailChimp application which allows you to send transactional emails. So many website owners and e-commerce store owners use this to send transactional emails like order confirmation, shipping confirmation, or sign up confirmation, etc. But they find it really time consuming and hard to collect the data of the leads and the customer involved in these transactional emails. So today I'm going to show an automation which will let you to send the data from Mandrill to Google Sheets automatically. So guys, let me show you how it is going to work. So guys, here we have taken a specific use case in which a email that you are sending from Mandrill is rejected. Okay, so that means it is called hard bounced or rejected if it is not delivered to the customer or to the person you are sending. So when this happens, that means when the email got rejected, what will happen? The data of the person and the email address will be saved in Google Sheets in a row automatically. Okay, so that you can follow up. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part of creating this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So guys, let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. So please do check the link that we have pasted in the description from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account, and that will provide you 100 free tasks for every month. And after that, you can sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this here. And here you have to set up this automation by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button like this. And here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So let us fill the name here. So here we have given the name to this workflow as send data from Mandrill to Google Sheets automatically. Now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay, and on this page you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So our automation work on these two things. The trigger is any event that is occurring. So it says when this happens, that means when any event occurs, this workflow will trigger, and according to the trigger, a response or action will happen. Okay, as in our use case, the trigger would be any email that is going to be rejected when you send it from Mandrill, and the action to that trigger is to send the data of the person to whom you're sending the email and their email address into a Google Sheet. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up your trigger. For that, you just have to click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app field, you have to choose your trigger application. In our case, it is Mandrill. Okay, so this is Mandrill, you can see, select it. And then it will ask for the trigger event. So the trigger event, Pabbly Connect provides you all these trigger events. You can see you can trigger this workflow when the message sent successfully, or when the message rejected, or when the message hard bounced or soft bounced. Okay, so you can use any of these. For now, according to our use case, we are using message rejected option. Okay, so we have selected the event. Now click on this connect button. Okay, and from this window select add new connection option. Then it will ask for this API key to connect your Mandrill application with Pabbly Connect, and after that we are going to capture the data of any email that is being rejected from your side. Okay, so let me show you. You can read the instructions here. You have to reach to your Mandrill account, and in the settings you will find this key. So let me show you my Mandrill. So this is my Mandrill's testing account, guys. This is not a paid account. I'm using it just to show you the demo. And I'm in the settings section. So you can find the settings section on the left hand side panel like this. This is the settings page. Okay. And here you will find this SMTP and API info tab. And when you click on it, you will find this API keys written here. Okay. This is the API key. So you just have to copy this key from here, and you have to paste the key here. And you just have to click on save, and you will be connected with Mandrill. You can see like this. And in the webhook description, you can provide the description like what is the reason for this connection. So I am writing the description as for emails, for email rejections. Okay, right. Now when you click on save and send test request, it will start showing waiting for the response. Okay, you can see. So guys, if you are running any email marketing campaign live on Mandrill, it will capture the response whenever the email got rejected. But now I'm not running any campaign. So what to do to capture the response? Let me show you. So for setting up this automation, if you're not running the campaign, what you can do, you can come here on this actions tab and you can choose Mandrill again. And with the help of an action event, we are going to fetch the data of a email got rejected. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to connect Mandrill again. Okay. And with the help of an action event, which is this send email, I'm going to send an email from Mandrill and that will be rejected. Okay, I'll deliberately make it to be rejected and then we'll capture the data of the rejected email here. So that will be a test data just to set up this automation. Okay, so you can click on connect here now. And from here, just choose this existing connection option because we have already connected Mandrill in the first step. So just click on save and we'll be connected like this. So here it is asking from name, from email. So guys, you have to enter the from name and email. So you can enter the name of the person on behalf of whom you are sending this email. And from email, you have to enter a verified email that you have to verify from Mandrill. So you can see in this, let me show you. In this domain section, guys, you will find this sending domains. So here I have this formgate.com as a sending domain and I get it verified, you can see. So you have to verify a domain from which you're sending that email. So I got this formgate.com verified here. So I'm going to enter the name. Let's enter the name as Team Pabbly. Team Pabbly is sending this email. Okay. In the from email, I'm going to enter a email address that I've verified. Let me see what is the form get. Okay, formget.com. Okay, so this is the email from which I'm sending the email and I'm not entering in this reply to anything. To email, here I am putting an email from which this message is going to be rejected. Okay, so because I'm using a free account, a trial account of Mandrill, it won't send this email to another domain that is not verified. So I have written here at gmail.com. So this email is going to be rejected. Okay. So in the subject, you can type any subject. For example, let's say order confirmation. Okay. So suppose we are sending a order confirmation here and it is going to be rejected and we'll capture this data. Okay. In the body text, you can enter the body of email like your order is confirmed. Okay. You can customize your email according to yourself. Okay. For now, I'm just showing you the example. That's why I have written only this. In the HTML, I'm leaving it blank, send it. Okay. So you can schedule the emails as well by entering the date and time here. Okay, for now I am keeping this blank. You can tag the email also, as this tag is for confirmation or for new lead or for marketing. So I am typing here confirmation. Okay, okay, and here you can track the opens and the clicks also. If you want to track that if email got opened or not, you can make it true. For the clicks, you can make it true, okay, or false as you want. And now I'm going to click on save and send test request and let's see what happens. Okay, so you can see in the status the email got rejected here. Okay, and the reason of the rejection is recipient domain mismatch. Okay, so this is how we got the data of a rejected email in Pabbly Connect. And in the first step, you can also see that the data got captured here also, because it is already started waiting for the response and I send an email. Then this because we have selected this trigger event that whenever a message got rejected, capture the data. So in the trigger, we also got the data. Okay. So now we want to send this data of this person to whom I am sending the email in my Google Sheet that I have created here. You can see in this sheet I have these three columns, and the header is from email, from which email I have sent the email, to email to whom I have sent the email, and the reason of mail rejection. Okay, so I want to have all these details here automatically in my Google Sheet. For that, what you can do, okay, for that what we can do, we have to click on this plus icon here on the other tab, and from here I can you have to select this Google Sheets application now. Okay, and in this action event, it will give you all these action events. You can look up in a spreadsheet, you can get a row, you can search a spreadsheet. For now, I want the data to be transferred and added in my sheet as a new row. So I'm selecting this add new row option here. And now you can click on this connect button. And from here, you can select this add new connection option. Then you can click on connect with Google Sheets. Okay. And from here, you have to choose your Google account from which you are accessing the Google Sheet application. So I am selecting the Google account. And then you have to provide an additional access. Just click on continue. That is completely safe. Okay. So you'll see that authorization is successful and we are connected with Google Sheets. Okay. Now it is asking for to select the spreadsheet. So this is the spreadsheet I have created and the name is Mandrill. Okay. So when you click here on this select spreadsheet field, it will show you in the drop down all the spreadsheets that you have created till now in your Google Sheets application. And this is my sheet Mandrill, so I'm selecting this. Okay, and after that it will ask for the sheet's name that you have in your spreadsheet. So you can see in my spreadsheet, this is the name of a sheet I have, rejected. Okay, so I'm selecting rejected here. It is only showing one option because I have only one sheet. Now it is asking from email, to email, and reason of rejection. These are the headers of the column that I have in my Google Sheet. Okay, so these are the things I want to send. So I am going to map the data of these three things from the data that we got from the previous steps. You can map it from here or you can map it from the first step here. Okay, so you can choose any option. And let me tell you one thing more, that if you are running any campaign, you won't be needing this step. Okay, if you are running any campaign in Mandrill, any email marketing campaign, and in real time when the mail got rejected, the data will be captured in this first step only. So in real time you probably won't be needing this step. Okay, so you can delete this step if you're after setting up this automation. Okay, so first of all, let me map the data. So from email, when you click here, you will find the previous steps in the drop down. And from this very first step, I'm going to map the data from email. Okay, so you will find the from email here. This is the sender's email. Okay, and in the to email, I am going to map the recipient's email, which is this. Okay, and in the reason of rejection, you will find the reason also. Let me show you. Here is the reason, recipient domain mismatch. Just map it. Okay, and then let's check our connection with the Google Sheet if it is working properly or not. So I have currently 6 rows here. Now let's check the connection. I'm clicking on save and send test request, and the data is going to be delivered now in my Google Sheet. Okay, so you can see it is showing us this response. Let's check in my sheet, and you can see I have this 7th row added here with the same things that I have mapped. Okay, you can see here. So this is how it is going to work in real time. Now you can, if you want to run a campaign, email marketing campaign, and you want to make it happen in real time, you can delete this step now because we have already set up this automation. Let me delete this step now. Okay. And now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, I selected the trigger, which was Mandrill, and with the help of message rejected action event, trigger event, I have collected the email. I have collected the data of a rejected email here like this. And after that, I want to send the data of this email in my Google Sheets. So in the action step, I connected Google Sheets application and mapped the data to deliver. Okay, now you can just click on save. And guys, you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, whenever you will run email marketing campaign from Mandrill, and if you are sending transactional emails and the message got rejected, the data of that rejected email will be captured here automatically and will be delivered to your Google Sheet. Okay. And the good part is you can use the same workflow, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.